It is decision day in Group D in the CONCACAF Men's U-20 qualifiers as Haiti take on the host Curacao in Jan Francisco Stadium in Willemstad, Curacao. The final match in Group D, nowhere else for these teams to go. Two unbeaten teams coming down to the last match, the last 90 minutes of these qualifiers. Curacao on their home ground need a win against the Haitians, the 2016 champions, who merely need a draw. After a crowded first half of the first half, Fabulous is shot, tipped over bar by Bonivasa. Fantastic strike by the box-to-box midfielder, bringing the best out of the Ajax Academy player. Then Fabulous showing his quality. Midfielder, keeper, rising to the occasion. Curacao crowd starting to feel it. And Fabulous will be booked on a tackle on Martina just before the end of the first half. First yellow card of the evening in a very, very tight affair. Nil-nil at the half, all to play for in the second 45. Well, it's going to be more of the same to begin the second 45. Curacao needing a win. They would start to inch forward. Pick up a free kick on that far side with players like Conversación, Bernardina, and a yellow card for Zamora, the left back, who crashed in to the number 15, Niviak. Then Bernardina went on a run and was completely taken out by Tanis. The unthinkable happened for Haiti. Bernardina for Curacao makes it 1-0. He was brought down and he delivered. Curacao on their feet. History in the making. They have never defeated Haiti before. A yellow card for Jean-Jules, the substitute, as emotions rose. Then Lace was brought down in the 90th minute. Curacao pleading their case, and Joseph, with a peach of a free kick into the far corner, drags this game back to 1-1. These celebrations can be heard throughout Willemstad. And now Leconte puts the icing on the cake. Romulus rises above and heads it home. 2-1 to Haiti. And now the horizon and the sun has come up in Port-au-Prince. Haiti 2, Curacao 1. The 2016 champions of the CONCACAF U-20 Championship have booked their tickets on a summer trip back to the championship. 2 goals in the last 5 minutes of play, in the 90th and the 93rd. Joseph's free kick, Romulus's header, has turned the game on its head.